Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mehrunessa Khan Tayeba. Today I am telling how to make a conversation with your friends about the place you have recently visited.
Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I am Istajhan Tasnim. Today I will ask to my friend about the place she has recently visited.
Okay guys, let's watch the video.
Hi Tayeba, how are you?
Hi Tasneem, I am fine. What about you?
I am also well. How was your tour to Mahia Jamidar Bari?
This tour was very interesting. The natural beauty of this place is amazing and fantastic.
With whom did you go there?
I went there with my parents and siblings.
Oh, that's great. I think you enjoyed this trip.
Yes, I did.
Please tell me about this trip in detail.
Of course, it represents the history of Tangail. It is the historical beauty in our Bangladesh.
What did you visit there?
There is a lot of historical interest here, uh, like Rani Pond, Jomidar House, library, museum, etc.
What did you all do there?
We went there at morning. Then we cooked our lunch. We all visited all the places there. It was a great experience for us. This family tour was amazing experience, but we missed you.
Wow, that's great. I wish I could join you.
Don't worry, we'll make a tour next time. Then you can join us.
Okay, it will be pleasure to me. I'm eagerly waiting for you.
Of course, but I have to go now. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.